Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com. Making this video about US30. A lot of people are asking. So finally I get to make the charts. Not much to show basically, but yes, still very enough. Monthly chart, you can see here, this is all the way to the upside. It retraced here and then went up and sideways correction. Now, not much here, but on the weekly chart, if you look at this way, this is you can work with. Right now, see this TL here? I connected this one and this one. So we hit this, drop, we hit, and we again drop, and now dropping more. And we are currently sitting on in between these two levels. This one, this low, and this high. 33,474, and this is 33,517. Right now, the price is 33,485, right there, just above it, right? If we are going to go down, we're going to have to bypass these two numbers and then go to 33,517. Then we're going to go to 33,444 if we continue to drop, right? There are another level here, which you can later on. Well, let me just mark it here quickly. This is the high of 32,670. Okay, so not enough space there, but let me try 32,670. I'm going to make it even smaller, so it will fit there. 33. What was that? High 670. I'm going to remove 33. We know that it's 33, 670. 670. And I'll make it a little bit bigger so that we can see. All right, so this is 33, but 670, right? This is 33, 141. But right now you can see here, that's, sorry, that would be 32, 670, no? Yeah, 32, 670. So I'm going to put 2, otherwise we're going to have confusion. 32, 670, right? Still readable. So this is how it is dropping. But how to make the entry, that is the question, right? So my system is giving very, very good entries. If you, let me see. Yeah, here, see this going to the upside, you can see how beautiful the entries are. It was sideways here, and all of a sudden, this is the by the book entry. Beautiful, beautiful entry. You can see all my trades using this entry long here, and then another entry come here. This is when May 5th, Friday, 11:45, means in the London session. And here it's May 5th, same Friday, last Friday, 16:35. And it went up nice and clean, right? Again, you could have hold this one and then continue go all the way. This is the entry. This is the entry. But it didn't go much there, and then start to retrace, right? So you have to mark these horizontal lines. Let's say, for example, how far it went there. It went to 33,776. Where the heck is 33,776? So 33, there is no number that will match it. Oh, 33, it's 34,287. Let's draw that. 34,287. 34,287. Well, it's even higher than that. Way higher than that. All right, forget about that. So, but now see, if the levels are not there, you can consider that having this daily pivot, that will do the job. Today it started from here. You see this? Sorry. Today is just, just started from here. This is today. This is yesterday, right? So you see that this is the high right now. As of today, you have a daily pivot here. You have R1. You're now sitting is S1 and 33,517. So yeah, between these levels and these pivot, you can play with and then look for these entries. Now, sometimes what happens is here, like this is one chart, and I have a smaller chart, a smaller setting to do kind of like a scalping, if you will. See this coming down, entry. See all of these, and then again here, this is it. This is the end of it. Yeah. All right. So basically, this is more like this. A better chart is this going long, short, lesser entries, but precise entries, very, very accurate entries. Look at that coming down. Excuse me. This was the entry on May 4th. Again, this is May 4th, 1635. This is the entry by May 4th, 1640. This one, you see? Nice entries. And then before that, this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry. So yeah, this is how it is. The weekly chart is the one that to watch, and just keep watching this one, and you can even expand it if you want, like this. That would be more clear, but don't forget this high here. And then you can see here, nice numbers, clean candles, and how nicely it's coming down right now. It is at this number exactly, 33,517 and 33,474. Okay, so not much more than that. So, this is it for now. Take care of it. And US30 again. This is my main entry chart. I don't trade this and I don't make the entries, but I'm showing you that my system, the entry system, works so well. Look at that. I mean, you could have just entered here and then here and then here and straight down. How many pips? Okay, and then going up. Look at that. Look at that. See that? Beautiful entries all over the place. So if you learn this and practice, that's it. This is it. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you can get my videos fast and as soon as I upload them. All right. And if you wish to get the system, go on my website. I don't have written here. I forgot. This is my name. The name of my website, creativetradingsystems.com. Go there and then subscribe, and you will get the system and everything. Right. And I will even help you set up all the charts on the computer through TeamViewer if you sign up for one-on-one, of course. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.